All rise. The Regional Trial Court Branch 69 is now in session. The Honorable Judge Rochelle Ann Magobat presiding.
Be seated. Call the case for arraignment.
Criminal case number 25 CR 001410, People of the Philippines versus Miles Ricky Valiente for the crime of homicide. Accused is present, Your Honor. Prosecution is presented by Attorney Jamison Caban. Defense is represented by Attorney Jenny Mayordomo.
Noted. Mr. Miles Ricky, please stand up. You confirm that you are Miles Ricky and that you have received a copy of the information filed against you?
Yes, Your Honor. I am Miles Ricky Valiente.
Counsel for the accused, confirm the presence and readiness of your client.
The defense is ready, Your Honor.
Very well. Clerk of the court, read the information to the accused in a language or dialect known and understood by him.
Miles Ricky Valiente is hereby charged with a crime of homicide, committed as follows that on September 11 in Barangay Hacienda Fe, Escalante City, said accused with intent to kill, willfully and unlawfully attack, assault, and stab one Arvin Kakilala, inflicting upon him fatal wounds which caused his death immediately thereafter to the damage and prejudice of the victim's ears, contrary to law.
Mr. Miles Ricky Valiente, did you understand the charge read against you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Before you enter your plea, I must inform you of your constitutional rights. You have a right to remain silent, the right to be presumed innocent, the right to legal counsel, which is now being provided, and the right to a speedy and impartial and public trial. Should you plead guilty, you are admitting all the material facts alleged in the information. Now, Mr. Miles Ricky Valiente, have you plead to the charge of homicide?
I plead not guilty, Your Honor.
Let the plea of not guilty be entered into the record. The court hereby sets the case for mandatory pre-trial on September 16, 2025, pursuant to the Rule 118 of the Rules of Criminal Procedure. All parties are ordered to submit their pre-trial briefs 3 days period prior to the said date, so ordered. We are now in pre-trial for criminal case number 25 CR 0014-110. Have both parties filed their pre-trial briefs?
Yes, Your Honor. The prosecution has filed and served its brief.
Very well. Let us proceed with the matters taken up under Rule 118. First, plea bargaining. Prosecutor, is the state open to offer for a lesser offense?
Your Honor, given the evidence, the prosecution maintains the charge of homicide but is willing to consider a plea to physical injuries resulting in death if the accused agrees to pay 50,000 in civil indemnity.
Your Honor, after conferring with my client, Mr. Valiente respectfully declines the plea bargain. He maintains his innocence and wishes to proceed to trial.
Noted. Next, stipulation of facts. Are there any facts that are undisputed?
The prosecution proposes to stipulate that the victim, Arvin Kakilala, died on September 11, 2025, and the official cause of death was stab wounds.
The defense stipulates to the identity of the deceased and the time of the death, but does not stipulate to the cause of death being a direct result of the accused actions.
Stipulation noted. Next, marking of evidence.
The prosecution will mark death certificate as Exhibit A and the police report as Exhibit B. We will present 3 witnesses.
The defense objects to the authenticity of the police report but acknowledge the marking. We will represent the accused as our primary witness and one character witness.
All exhibits and witnesses are noted. This pre-trial is deemed terminated. The issues for trial are now limited to one identity of the perpetrator and two direct cause of the victim's death. This significantly streamlines the proceedings. The court hereby issue a pre-trial order sets the initial trial dates September 30, 2025 and October 5, 2025. Failure to appear without justifiable cause will be subject to sanctions. So ordered.